Sustainability and eco-friendly living have become pivotal considerations in modern architecture. For now, get ready for an eye-opening adventure into the heart of innovation and environmental responsibility. Do you know how Amsterdam's fiction factory redefining eco-friendly housing with its innovative modular cardboard-wrapped homes? Don't be worried, we are here to let you know everything. By the end of the video, we will delve into the details of each sustainable house, providing insights into their unique designs, construction materials, and environmental considerations. Stay tuned with us till the end. Some fantastic secrets awaiting your signals. Let's get started. Fiction Factory's modular house in Amsterdam. This video begins by introducing Fiction Factory's modular house, a 55 square foot structure made from high-strength cardboard. We explore the modularity of the design, its flexibility, and the use of sustainable materials. The pricing and the challenges of bringing such innovative housing to the US are discussed, setting the stage for the diverse range of eco-friendly houses to follow. Mobile retreat on wooden sleds. Moving on to the second house, this video details a holiday retreat built on wooden sleds, addressing zoning laws and the adaptability of the structure. The self-sustaining features, such as the worm tank waste system, add depth to the discussion of sustainable living. Netherlands project with 70,000 trees. The third house explores a project in the Netherlands that transformed agricultural land with 70,000 trees. The vast floor area, open floor plan, and energy-efficient features including solar panels demonstrate a holistic approach to sustainable living. The Zero House, assembling sustainability. Now we introduce the Zero House, a 650 square foot micro-dwelling that can be assembled anywhere in the world in just one day. The off-grid design, modular setup, and integration of outdoor space showcase a commitment to sustainable living and flexibility. Towering sustainable retreat above Michigan's Glen Lake. The fifth house is a multi-level structure atop a wooded hill above Michigan's Glen Lake. The plywood box design, suspended between metal walls, offers breathtaking views and optimal use of space. Each level's purpose and separate deck areas are highlighted, emphasizing both aesthetics and functionality. Western Australia's carbon-positive homes. Exploring Western Australia's sustainable development in the sixth house, we are going to discuss the use of recycled construction waste, solar arrays, and rainwater tanks. The flexible floor plans and adaptability for long-term use contribute to creating a multi-generational and self-contained living space. Finnish A-frame prototype, living with less. The seventh house introduces a Finnish A-frame prototype called Nolla, emphasizing living with less and focusing on the outdoors. The compact design, sustainable materials, and off-grid features, such as roof-mounted solar panels, showcase the beauty of simplicity. Missouri's Acre designs, the Axiom house. Now the eighth house discusses Missouri-based Acre designs and their Axiom house, employing a modular design to reduce household energy consumption by up to 90%. The integration of smart systems in various floor plans caters to both traditional and modern preferences. The Passive Pod, a compact and efficient home. The ninth house, the Passive Pod, originates from an eco-house competition entry. Its compact form, passive house standards, and rainwater harvesting system highlight efficiency. This video mentions the company seeking investment for prototypes, indicating the continuous evolution of sustainable design. Waterside Villa, outside Amsterdam. Moving to a waterside location, this video explores a villa on an island outside Amsterdam. The use of aluminum, untreated steel, and recycled materials showcases a connection to the environment. The house's off-grid nature, thermal recycling, and efficient insulation contribute to sustainable living. Modular prefab beach bungalows in Greece. The 11th house presents modular prefab beach bungalows in Greece, featuring wooden verandas, sliding glass doors, and a flexible interior layout. This video humorously mentions the author's willingness to visit these bungalows for scientific purposes, adding a lighthearted touch. The Zero Home, Every eco-friendly option, the 12th house, the zero home, employs every available eco-friendly option, from solar panels to airtight structures. The emphasis on energy efficiency, lack of windows, and the integration of smart technology showcase the comprehensive approach to sustainability. Germany's ecological development in Kassel, the 13th house located in Germany, is part of an ecological development. The honeycomb design, clay coils, and integration with the environment showcase a harmonious balance between the exterior and interior. Nature-inspired yin and yang house, the 14th house. The yin and yang house incorporates nature-inspired elements with a rooftop garden for sustainable living. The integration of planters, greenhouses, and rainwater harvesting emphasizes the harmony between architecture and nature. Solar-powered floating homes in the Maldives. Dive into the 16th house, showcasing solar-powered floating homes in the Maldives. The video explores the unique challenges and solutions for sustainable living in a marine environment. The use of renewable energy, water desalination systems, and the minimal ecological impact of these floating homes provide insights into innovative ways to address environmental concerns in coastal regions. Vertical forest apartments in Milan, Italy. The 17th house takes us to Milan, Italy, where vertical forest apartments redefine sustainable urban living. This section delves into the integration of greenery on building facades, energy-efficient systems, and the positive impact on air quality. The vertical forest concept demonstrates a harmonious blend of nature and architecture, offering a glimpse into the future of eco-conscious city living. FabLab House, a global collaboration. The final house, the FabLab House, stands out as a collaborative effort involving experts and companies from over 20 countries. The flexible solar panel array, elevated structure, and optimization of natural resources make it a pinnacle of sustainable design. This video post provides an in-depth exploration of 15 eco-friendly and sustainable houses. From modular designs to off-grid living, each house reflects a commitment to environmental consciousness and innovative solutions for sustainable living. As the world continues to embrace the importance of eco-friendly practices, these houses serve as inspirational examples of what can be achieved in the realm of green architecture. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey into sustainable living. If you found these eco-friendly innovations as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and share the inspiration. Subscribe to our channel for more explorations into cutting-edge designs and environmentally conscious living. Let's continue to question, explore, and shape a greener future together. Until next time, this is Reacher signing off. Stay curious.